Hello and welcome to Make, Learn and Play. Today I'm going to show you how to make this wonderful Christmas fireplace. It comes in one package that takes 20 minutes to build, 2 minutes to take down, and you can rebuild it every Christmas. First of all, you open your box, you should have a stained wall that looks like this. This will hold it up. You need to turn it over and roll it the other way to get rid of the folding marks. So next, you need to look at your little pieces of card. You should have A, B and C written on there. But first of all, we need on the bottom. See the side at the moment. The wall for your fireplace. Slot it into the box, just like so. And then you take B, put it inside. Gently so you don't rip. Okay, that's starting to take shape. So next, you guide the box down like this. Take slot that in. There's one end. It's an envelope like this, which should have some clips in. And you get your C part of the box. I'll show you there, C. And then you place this inside the brick wall. And then you've got these clips. Okay, so next we get our legs. Right, so the next thing we need to do is make our opening for our fireplace. So what we need to do is find the first V shape notch down the bottom where you clip it all together. So there should be one here and one here. So then you count 9 bricks. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And then in the order, just mark it. And then we do the same on the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And mark again. So that should be level. So then we need to cut along here, up to this piece, in a line, cross, and down. all on the instructions, so it does show you. Like this, just showing you. Like this, you then need to fold them back into the fireplace. And then you get your inner bit where your flames are. And then, because it's been folded up, fold the opposite way to straighten it out. Fold the top over, just like this. And then, in the base of your fireplace, slot the pieces into. Okay, so once you've fitted it into the slats, you then need to get the rest of your clips and just attach the flaps